What makes plastic production smoother, faster, and more efficient? Let's talk about fatty acid amides, a class of plant-based additives that play a big role behind the scenes. Fatty amides are derived from natural fatty acids and used across plastic processing industries. They are mainly used as surface treatments and processing aids. First, they act as slip and anti-block agents, reducing friction, static charge, and surface adhesion, essential for film applications. Next, they serve as lubricants and mold release agents, helping molded parts eject easily and cutting down cycle times. Our additives also improve melt flow and help disperse fillers and pigments, crucial in masterbatch or color compound production. When it comes to surface quality, these additives enhance gloss, minimize voids, and reduce shear lines. In high temperature processes, secondary amides like EBS or Erucamide offer excellent thermal stability. In injection molding, EBS and EBO improve flow and filler distribution for items like caps, appliances, or packaging. And for engineering plastics like PET and PBT, EBS functions as internal lubricant, improving clarity and processability. At TOPWELLGOAL, we specialize in plant-based fatty acid amides tailored for diverse plastic applications, backed by in-house R&D and over 20 patents. Contact us today for samples or formulation support.